Hey, what's good? Josh from Gold Standard Growth here, and in this video I'm going to very quickly go through and show you exactly how you can write world-class ad copy without having any clue about how to write ad copy. You might have never written ad copy in your entire life. You have no clue about copywriting. Great, because neither do I. But what I'm about to show you here is absolutely wicked. And this will be a very quick video, but you can use this for everything you do moving forward. I've used it for my own agency ads. If you get hit with any of my ads, all of that copy is ChatGPT, but it's got a bit of a twist on it. It's not the standard procedure. So I'm going to move you over to my computer and we're going to go through this very, very quickly. So what I've done just to move us forward a bit and not have to do this whilst recording is I've just put in on ChatGPT, I wrote this here. So I've put, write me some long form Facebook ad copy for the company Bold Nootropics, right? That's a company that doesn't exist, or maybe it does, but this is just for an example. For their new product called Brain Booster, and the benefits are that it increases focus, increases cognitive function, and is currently half price, so the customer can get a great deal. Yippee. So what ChatGPT has done what it always does. It comes out with this very, very average, kind of okay ChatGPT looking ad copy, right? If you've been in the Facebook space for a while and you've used ChatGPT to write copy, it always ends up looking something like this. And to be honest, it just sucks. It doesn't look great. Now, ChatGPT 5's coming out. Maybe that'll be a bit better. But a way to kind of accelerate potentially that learning curve of waiting for ChatGPT 5 to come along, I actually discovered a way that you could make this ad copy transform into something super, super sexy without actually having to necessarily do anything. You just have to add an extra prompt, because this copy here, I would not put anywhere. It sucks. It's just boring. It's average. I could write better ad copy than this, and I'm not a copy person. So I was generating some ad copy for a client recently, and I've been generating some ad copy for my own brand and my agency through ChatGPT. And I kept getting frustrated with how just average it was, right? It was just pumping out stuff like this. And when I changed the prompt, it wouldn't switch it up too much until I changed one thing, which is I went to Google, and this is very easy, but it's going to blow your mind. I went to Google and I typed in world-class copywriters. So it gave me a load of options of these great copywriters. There's a few here that have some very famous books that if you aren't in the know, get to know those books, or at least read a summary of them. So we're going to go with Eugene Schwartz, right? This guy's an absolute hero, and yeah, a copywriter that I think it is absolutely brilliant, but I can't write copy like Eugene Schwartz. So we're going to go to ChatGPT. We've got this very average copy, and what I'm going to do is say, now rewrite this in the style of Eugene Schwartz. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that last name right, but whatever. So it'll understand exactly who this person is. It's probably scraping the internet for his style of work. And immediately, the copy is so much better. Like, I've produced some copy from this way of working by just taking different people who are just copywriting heroes and just saying, hey, ChatGPT, write like them. And this does a way better job than I could possibly do on my own. Like, this is crazy to me. And what's funny is, and we'll do it in a second, but you can style it based off anybody. So for example, we'll do Gary Vee in a second. Now, I'm not a fan of his way of copywriting or just his videos or just whatever. Not to discredit the guy, is an amazing entrepreneur, but I just for my own agency and brands, I don't like them to speak in the way that he does. So I could say, now rewrite this in the style of Gary V. And let's just take a look at this a second. So we've gone from, are you ready to elevate your mental game to the next level? That's super broad, average. Now we've gone to, do you ever wonder how much you could accomplish if only your brain worked a little faster, a little harder, or a little more sharply? What if there was a way not only to meet your daily mental demands, but to exceed them? Immediately, this first line, really, really nice. Really nice. And then it writes a little story for the customer. Imagine this. This isn't just a dream. This is what Brain Booster can do for you. And now we'll get this revolutionary breakthrough for half the price. Like, this is incredible copy. Now, I'm just going to show you as an example before we wrap this up what Gary V looks like. And yeah, as it says here, he's more direct, energetic, but it understands exactly what you want. So it says, hey, it's Gary V here, and I've got something you need to hear about if you're serious about crushing it in life and business. Using a lot of his tonalities. Let's cut to the chase. You want to be at the top of your game, right? You want to dominate your field, be the best version of yourself, and not only keep up, but set the pace. That's where Brain Booster by Bold Nootropics comes in. And then he cuts to, here's the deal. Why am I pushing this? It's the exact tonalities and words that Gary V would use. Look, I wouldn't use this for the actual copy. If I had to use any copy, it would definitely be this. It's incredible copy, but play around with it. Put your scenario into ChatGPT, let it spit back to you very average ChatGPT-ish copy, and then just take a copywriter that you like. There's a lot of them. Find a style that you want your brand represented in. Find a copywriter that matches that or represents your brand and somebody that you would love to employ. If you could, well, now essentially you can. So go ahead, find them. The next prompt after you've made the copy is just now write this in the style of copywriter. Okay. So just wanted to share this with you because I think it's incredible and it saved me a lot of time, and I'm sure it will save you a lot of time and money as well. So I hope you've enjoyed the video. If you did, go ahead and subscribe. You don't have to. Drop a comment. Let's have a conversation. And if you do want to work with myself and my team, that's another conversation. I will leave the link to our latest case study in the description of this video. You can go ahead and check it out and find more information on working together there. But if not, take the value from this video, use it in your own ads, and I hope you have a brilliant day.